how our personality is developed, the way in which we think about ourselves, feels about ourselves. Then 11 years I worked as a principal of the staff training college. Then they posted me as a joint director in the ministry. I went to Delhi, started working there. It was totally an administrative post. I love to talk, love to conduct programs, love to teach, love to write, love to read. With this kind of a temperament, if I was asked to sit and see 150 to 200 files every day, it was quite nauseating to me. I resigned the job, came down to Bangalore. Bangalore is my place. Started conducting program on memory and personality development. These two areas I tried to develop, and I have developed to some extent to conduct effectively program on memory and personality development. Memory because of my innovation. In the meantime, I did something commendable. Do you remember what is the score I secured in 7th standard entrance test? Mathematics? 0. The same person could write a monumental work on a similar subject, not exactly mathematics, on a similar subject. You can imagine, this is fundamental advanced accounting. First volume, 1,200 pages. Second volume, 1,500 pages. You know who published this book? One of the best publishers in India, Tata Nagaraj Publications. To get Nagaraj Publication is not an easy thing. And again, this book got subsidy from Government of India through NBT, National Book Trust of India. Government gives subsidy only to the best textbook for the benefit of students community. Top of it, this book got first prize award as the best textbook in the year of its publication by the Federation of Indian Publishers. And again, with all humility, I attribute this achievement to the 4 words. I decided, I determined, I resolved, and I committed that I was not going to lead an ordinary life. That kind of a decision should come to us, friends. A strong decision, a firm determination. If you are able to get that kind of thing, everyone is provided with a seed of genius. Based on my personal experience, I feel that God has blessed us with one kind of a genius or other. You have to find out. You must be able to ignite the spark of genius in you. Then a few more things I can tell and wind up my personal introduction. You know, normally I take these 2 books. Whenever I conduct program, I show to the participants. In one of the seminars, one foreigner from Thailand came. He saw these 2 books. At the end of the seminar, he asked me, "Are you an accounts man?" I said, "I have not seen the books, what I have written." Based on that, on the spot, he offered me the post of a financial advisor to an international organization in Bangkok. I went to Bangkok, worked there for 3 years on a contractual basis, getting my salary in terms of US dollars. When you convert that into Indian rupee, it works out to 99,000 per month. Now you can imagine where I started as a clerk, ended as a financial advisor to an international organization in a foreign country. What was my first salary? 99. What was my last salary? 99,000. What was my academic achievement at the beginning? All 3rd class. What was I able to achieve afterwards? First class and first rank. This is what comes again out of decision, determination, resolution and conclusion. For example, all of you are interested to become trainers. Otherwise, there is no place for you to be here. 1.5 crore population. How many people here? That means if this